Welcome back, everyone. Pedro here with another live stream, with another video, guys. I'm super excited to have you guys here. Maybe it's your first time here. Maybe you're new to trading. Maybe, you've been struggling with your trading for the longest time. Maybe you've been trading for a long time, been able to become consistently profitable. Whatever the case is, I want you to know that you have a community here you can count on. And yeah, I got my iPad here, just making sure I got all the comments all set up, guys. Yeah, just wanted to welcome you guys to the family. Welcome to La Familia. I want you to know you have a community here you can count on, a community that you can rely on with your trading, guys. I know that trading sometimes can be lonely. It could be very hard path on your own. So that's why I created this channel. I decided to really kind of create something different, something that, I could help people level up on their trading, people that are just starting out. And so, yeah, we're going to be diving in deeper, guys, as always. Also, if you're new, to comment below. Let me know where you're tuning in from. I always love hearing from you guys. I'd love to get to know you. So make sure you comment below. Let me know what country you're tuning in from. And make sure, if you're new, to join in our free Telegram group, guys. We have an amazing community on Telegram. It's a free community called Blessed Traders Academy. So make sure you go check that out. I've literally created that specific group just to help you guys, network with other traders, be able to help each other out, share your analysis, your ideas, all that type of stuff. So I've created that awesome community on Telegram. As we wait for more and more people to tune in and join us, guys, I'm just going to update the video settings here. We'll get everything all set up. And yes, I got my tea. This time I've got ginger tea, guys. I've shifted over to ginger tea. The only reason why is because I found that the caffeine that I was consuming was high levels of caffeine. So I'm trying to, like, always, health is wealth, guys. You want to focus on, taking care of yourself, right? So make sure that you always kind of not over push your body, just relax. It's always good to meditate, you know what I mean? Pray, just take things easy, nice and right. You don't want to push yourself too much. Just gonna wait here for this to set up, and then we'll get started, guys. Okay, thank you so much. We got GBP. Yeah, we'll take a look at GBP/USD, my man. Jason, thank you so much. Good morning. Good morning to you as well. Yes, guys, smash that like button for me, guys, please. Smash that like button if you enjoyed these live streams, as it does support my channel, and in turn, trust me, I will be coming in live and supporting you guys. Oh God. Oh. Awesome, guys. Gonna let our Telegram group know we're live, guys, and we should be good. All right, guys. Beautiful. Perfect. Updated. Gotta make sure I have music. Making all the copyrights, making sure everything's good here on my end. All right, guys. So awesome. So we're gonna get started, guys. We're gonna take a look at some of the pairs that we were looking at yesterday. And as you guys know, holiday is here. The holidays are coming, so the markets are gonna be a little bit slower this time of the year. Obviously, you know the markets start cooling down, but it doesn't stop us from using trade opportunities. You guys know that. So we want to focus, as always, on catching the highest probable setups. Okay, want to make sure we're good. We're good. Can you guys hear me good? Yeah. Okay, so we should be good. Just making sure that we're good here. Okay, so you guys, okay, so we're gonna get started, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. So far, what are we looking here? We're looking at Euro USD, and with Euro USD, like I mentioned to you guys, there was two scenarios that could have panned out. I'm not looking for sell setups until we actually break below this lower level. So 1.4934 is the level that I wanted to see price break, right? So if we didn't break below this level, then I was definitely not looking for selling opportunities, right? So we needed to break below this level structure for a continuation, that one last leg before price would come up, right? Typically that's what we see, which is a more complex. We got that strong momentum here within this kind of downwards channel, and we got that complex pullback, except sometimes we typically get price to pull back even more extended lower here, because the reason why I would say that is because we're creating that extra leg down, which would kind of go in confluence with this upwards channel on the higher time frames, like the 4-hour time frame, all that type of stuff, right? But I also showed you two scenarios. I said, guys, these are the two scenarios that I really see, right? We are ranging sideways, right? So I'm anticipating price to kind of range within this consolidation zone. And so we could see that, you know, this was kind of my buying zone area if we held and respected this level of structure, which we did. And look at my arrows, pretty much none of this existed overnight, but overnight we got the strong momentum that I was anticipating, and we got the pullback. Excuse me, we got the pullback, and now we're getting price to, it's kind of stalling out here, to be honest. And to be fair, I think the way Euro USD is looking right now, I just think it's going to consolidate. This is a 30-minute time frame, by the way. I just feel like right now what we're seeing is the consolidation, but the problem with this consolidation is that we don't have that much room, right? So we don't have that much room to the upside or to the downside. So if we really focus on how much of, you know, a move to the upside we have, we're talking about 30 pips. If we have to the downside, we're talking about 25 pips, right? So this is not enough for me to really be looking for like, you know, beautiful setups, because just alone, or stop loss alone, is usually 20 pips, right? So, you know, what are we going to actually potentially gain out of trading right now? Nothing, right? Where we want to get, or what would have been, is pretty much what I had set up here. Is I said, if it holds this level support and we get that strong push upside to the upside, we get the pullback. So the pullback down here, that would have been a better entry here, and then we would have targeted the highs over here. But anyways, we'd still just be only up about 27 pips, right? So it's still not, I don't really see anything at this given time for Euro USD. So we're just going to hold off for now. And yeah, so that's not, I don't really see anything there, guys. Let's move on to GJ, GBP US, GJ, and all our British pound pairs. So we'll take a look at GU and see what's going on with GU, guys. Okay, let's go. Let's go. We see a couple members joining in, guys. Let's go. Welcome, guys. Smash that like button if you enjoyed these live streams, guys. As always, let's go. Okay, so what are we looking at? GBP US. So similar concept, right? Look at my lines, right? I was anticipating what? A pullback. So we got that pullback. Look, it's right here, right there, right? Because when I did my analysis here, this was yesterday, right? So you can see yesterday 12 30, okay, right? So this is all yesterday's move. Anticipate some sort of a pullback, okay, and then a continuation to the upside, right? But what did we see here so far, right? We got the pullback to this level structure here, which is another area of support. So that's why price is actually stopping at this area. You can see like this, right? And pretty much going in confluence with, you know, this upwards channel. So if we go to the higher time frame, like let's say the 1 hour, the 4 hour, but let's say the 1 hour, just so it's a little bit more clear for you guys. If we look at the 1 hour, guys, what are we seeing price do here for GBP US, right? look at this lag that I told you guys. We're looking for sell opportunities below this level structure. We didn't break below. We did get the pullback, however, not all the way down here, but we got the pullback, right? And so right now I'm probably looking for GU buys. That's kind of what I'm looking at overall, just from looking at it at the 1 hour time frame. Where could I target? Well, my overall target, to be honest, would just be the highs over here. So this would be my target level. This would be my selling zone. So I want to see price probably come back up to these highs, and then we can look for selling opportunities at this level structure, right? That is as long as it respects this level. If we break above with a strong momentum, then we wait for the retest, right? So this is what we want to see. We wait for the retest back down to this level, this level structure here. And then we wait for price to hold that level support for a continuation to the upside. Let's go, Laura. Let's go, Kunis. Let's get it. Got my sister-in-law here. Let's go. So yeah, that's really what we're looking at, guys, to be honest with you, right? So that's kind of what I see there on the 1 hour time frame. You know, with clarity, if we look at the 4 hour time frame, what are we looking at? 4 hour time frame is looking pretty bullish. It's looking like it's holding this level support. So overall, just from looking at it, guys, and again, we can clear the charts because I really want to understand what I'm seeing here. We can see that we're pretty much stalling out at this level support, right? So previous candle was bearish, the previous 4 hour candle, but that was just because price had to pull back. But so far, the next 4 hour candle, which is right here, we can see that it's pretty strong. We got a strong momentum candle here that is rejecting and telling us, nope, we're not looking to go down further. We're looking to respect this level structure, right? So overall, this is good because this tells me as a trader that, hey, you know what? We may anticipate a continuation to the upside. So if I kind of narrow this down like this, right, and I really look at the bigger picture, we can actually really see that we are in this upwards channel, upwards momentum, right? And you can see that price has been respecting this upwards channel for quite some time, right? So now that we see that, do you see how I'm literally doing this in front of you guys, just showing you how we can, you know, kind of analyze the markets, but actually like structure everything so that we can focus on price action, right? Now I start saying, well, if we're going to see price move like this, where can I anticipate price to go? Well, there's 1 or 2 ways to look at it, guys, really. But give me 1 sec here. Give me 1 sec here. There's 1 or 2 ways you could look at it here, really. And one of the main ways that you can look at price and how it may react is by looking at it. Look at the similar move that it did here, guys. Look at this. So this is the 4 hour time frame. Look at the strong momentum that we had here, right? If I move this strong momentum here and I see it here, this comes in confluence with just with this high over here, right? So this is the similar move that we may see price come up to, right? Just the way it is right now, we're kind of going back into this range, right? So if we see it here, this is the highs of this kind of ranging area, right? And so I can start looking for GU buys. That's kind of what I'm looking at right now, okay? We're already getting that strong momentum, but what you'd want to do is manage your risk, right? So if you were to get in on buys here, what you do is you target the highs here. So the highs, I would say even TP1 would be here, 47 pips, the highs, and then put your stop loss just below, do like a nice 30 pip stop or 25 pip stop, right? That's a good trade setup right there, guys. Guys, smash that like button for me if you enjoy these live streams, guys. As always, I appreciate you guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's kill it, guys. Let's go. All right, guys. And then let's see what's going on with USD. Yeah, Dixie. Let's go. Okay, I got an alert. Odd USD crossing resistance, selling area. Okay, Odd USD. Let's take a look at Odd USD. What's going on here? Okay, so we're literally crossing this area, which was our kind of like our sell area, right? This is my selling zone, right? So let me just put my stop loss here for GU though, because I got into this trade. Now, mind you, that this is obviously a little bit higher risk, but this is kind of just what I'm anticipating, right? So we could see another low come here, but that's fine. It's just 25 pips. Target the highs. TP1 here, 36 pips. TP2, 86. Yeah. Okay. I really don't focus on putting the TP in this case. The reason why I really don't focus on putting a take profit is because you never know, right? The news might push price up so high that You know what I mean? You know, whatever the case is, right? So you never freaking know, guys. You never know. Okay, so we'll leave that right now. We have odd USD coming pretty much at this resistance area here. So just basing it off right now. So let's look at the 4-hour time frame. What are we looking at here, guys? So pretty much we kind of broke below this kind of upwards kind of channel, you know, pattern formation, and we kind of formed, as you can see, kind of like a, I guess you could say like an inverted head and shoulders, I guess. It's really not the greatest, right? But it looks like an inverted head and shoulders. And so right now we're pretty much retesting this level. That's why I set my alert, because I knew that this was a level that price could reject, right? So if we get a rejection of this level, let's say the next candle looks bearish, you best bet I'm gonna start looking for selling opportunities. This is just kind of what I'm looking at. We could probably target the lows over here, and this would give us enough room, right? So if we were looking at selling opportunities, we kind of target the low range here, which is about 48 pips. You set your stop loss nice and tight, let's say 20 pips, 15 pips. Anything above this, I'm already not looking for sells, right? This already indicates to me that, you know what, it invalidates the overall trade setup. We're not looking for selling opportunities, right? So would I get in? Not yet. Like I said, I want to see at least a 30-minute or the 1-hour candle close a little bit bearish, have some sort of wick rejections, right? Some sort of pattern like this. Look at this pattern over here, right? We had that doji, then we had the next candle close and engulf bearish, right? Look at this one here, right? This is another example right over here, guys. Look, right? We had that next candle engulf bearish. That's what I want to see, and then we can look for selling opportunities, guys. That's what I'm really looking for, guys. And I'll keep you guys in the loop as always, guys. Guys, welcome to all of our new members that are tuning in. Maybe it's your first time here. I don't know if it is, guys. Let me know in the chat box if you're where you're tuning in from, guys. Also, guys, let's get this to 10 likes, guys. We've got 10 viewers right now, guys. Like I said, I'm here every single day, Monday to Friday. Guys, I'm literally providing you guys straight value. Always here to help and support you guys. So let's go, guys. Let's go. All right, guys. So I'm going to put here the link to our free Telegram group for those that haven't joined in yet, okay? So go check out our free Telegram group, guys. We have an amazing community on there, guys. Okay. So if you haven't already, guys, make sure you guys join in on our free Telegram. Welcome to all of our new members that are tuning in. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Welcome to La Familia. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So the link is right there, guys. That is for our free Telegram group, guys. Make sure you guys check it out. And I'm going to write this down, guys. Also, let me know, what other pairs are you guys looking at, guys? What other pairs are you guys looking at? I'm just writing this here, this poll here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I see a couple new members, guys. For all the new members that are tuning in, make sure you guys turn on your notifications, guys, and click all notifications so you don't miss a single live stream. As you know, yesterday we had a fire live stream together, and we were able to, you know, look at the markets, and we had an amazing turnout there, guys. So make sure that your notifications are turned on so you don't miss on a single live stream. If you're new, guys, comment below. Let me know where you're tuning in from, guys. I'd love to hear from you. So let's get it, guys. Let's go. Okay, beautiful, guys. Awesome. Okay, so I've got that poll there set up. For those that are new, Bao Nate Gold GU, yeah, we'll take a look at that, my man. Welcome. I'm not sure if I've seen you before, but welcome. Ikal, hello. Ikal, welcome. We got Pops in the house. What's going on, Dad? Love you. Thank you for always being here and supporting me. Another day, another opportunities. Yes, another day to thank God for all the opportunities he's given us. You know, the fact that you guys are here this morning, breathing, guys. The fact that you have a tablet, doesn't matter, a tablet like this, guys, a tablet, a phone. Look at this, guys. We're fortunate, guys, to have all this type of stuff. There's people that don't have any of this stuff, right? So the fact that we have all of this, guys, is such a blessing. As a whole, guys, to really realize that, you know what I mean, we have so many opportunities, right? The fact that you're breathing, the fact that you have another day, guys, that's such a blessing, right? So let's continue on, guys. We're gonna take a look at gold. I haven't looked at gold. So look, odd USD, we notified. What did I say? I didn't put a sell order, right? No, I waited and I said, you know what, I'm gonna get notified because I want to know what's gonna happen here. So far we're kind of breaking above. Could this actually create a wick? Yeah, that could create a wick and come back down. But the way it's kind of looking, like I said, it looks like an inverted head and shoulders, right? Look at this. That's the head. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. So this is like the left shoulder here, okay? The neckline, head, okay? And then the right shoulder here. So we could anticipate buys here, and we could see like something happen like this for odd USD. Strong momentum, wait for the retest, look for a continuation. Now, could you get in here on buys? Yeah, you could take the impulsive trade kind of target here, but look at the amount of pips you would be getting anyways, right? So we got a lot of resistance up here. It's only about 28 pips, so it'd be like a quick scalp, something like that. You manage your risk, 10 pip stop loss, something like that. But even like right now that I'm realizing here, like GGU is going up, and most likely it will probably continue to go up, but I know my risk, right? So I know that it could come back down, create some sort of a double bottom, or come back down and pull back before it actually goes higher, right? Or it could actually even break below, right? So we just have to be mindful because we're still creating lower highs, right? So that's something that you just have to be mindful of, guys, okay? Let's go to gold. Let's see what's going on with gold, guys. Let's go. Just trying to read through here the comments. Beautiful. Okay. Okay, we got this. Okay. Gold, same thing, guys. We were looking at gold buys, right? So we were anticipating gold to go to the upside, right? And obviously we didn't get that move there for gold. And so what had happened, right? Gold is ranging right now, especially right now with Dixie, because Dixie is a little bit indecisive right now, right? So right now, Dixie, if it breaks below this level, we're gonna see Dixie come all the way down, right? And to be fair, the way it's looking right now, I could see Dixie coming all the way down, right? Lots of, if this candle closes bearish, then we may see finally a break below. Like I said, it's kind of looking like a head and shoulders pattern formation. Not the most ideal, but again, right? Left shoulder here, neckline, head, right shoulder, right? So we may anticipate a push to the downside. Yeah. So this is kind of what I'm seeing, right? So I'm seeing Dixie come all the way down. This is a possibility, guys. This is the neckline here. If it breaks the neckline, then this will be a strong indication that, yeah, we're looking for the dollar to gain more weakness here, lose its strength, and continuation to the downside, right? Very similar move. Look at my lines here, guys. Look at how my analysis, right? I anticipated it to come up to this highs. I knew that price was going to do something here. I had a feeling that price was going to come back up to these highs. And there was just that overall sentiment that I felt, you know what? Problem is, a lot of people see price go like this. They see a rejection. But we have to realize that price will always come back up and retest these highs once more, right? Like sometimes people see this instant rejection. You're like, oh, I see a strong momentum. I'll get on the pullback, look for sells, get stopped out, right? Look, price came all the way back up to these highs. And you can see my analysis and go back to like Monday's live stream, Tuesday's live stream, and you could see that I literally told you guys, I need price to come back up to these highs. Most likely, often than not, price will always come back up to these areas or these highs or lows and retest before price actually goes in the direction we anticipate, right? Now, obviously, we, as traders, we can't always know over, like, no one knows the overall direction of the market. We work with what we have, right? So no one can know for sure and say, okay, price is 100% going to go up, back up. No, but we can have an overall idea and say, yeah, you know what? This is what I'm anticipating overall. This is what we can anticipate is definitely, price will probably retest back these highs because this is a major level structure, right? Before it actually comes to the downside, right? So we saw how price, exactly with this technical analysis that I had, my analysis overall, we saw that, price came back up exactly as I was anticipating and actually came back down to the downside, right? So, very, very simple example, guys. And right now what I'm seeing, like I said, I'm seeing kind of this head and shoulders pattern formation. We may see it come back down to this neckline. If we don't break this neckline, then there you go. We maybe have a little bit more push to the downside for the US dollar, but it may just kind of range in this area zone, right? So before, when it comes down here, we just really need to analyze and see what price does, right? If it breaks this neckline, then you best bet we're looking for selling opportunities. If it doesn't break this neckline, then we're just going to be stuck here ranging in between this zone until we see a breakout, right? So that's kind of what I'm looking at overall. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm looking at overall. And to be honest with you, let's see. I don't think there's news, guys, because it's been really, really slow all week anyways. So I don't think there is news. So yeah, we do actually have USD unemployment claims. So forecast previous 225 at 8:30. So to be honest, with this news coming out, I don't know if I really feel comfortable even trading on the GU. So you just got to be careful, guys, on GU. Let's go. I'm Yo. Good morning, my man. Let's go. Welcome to all of our new members that are tuning in, guys. Welcome to La Familia. If it's your first time here, guys, welcome. Don't be shy, guys. Comment below, introduce yourself, let me know where you're tuning in from, and also turn on your notification bell, guys, so you don't miss. So yeah, so that's kind of what we're looking at right now. So we just got to wait it out. Got to be patient. Again, we have some news, and again, manage your risk. Know your risk. How much are you risking? What's your, you know what I mean? Once you know your risk, then you can kind of go from there, right? Know your risk, know how much you're willing to risk in a trade, and we kind of go from there. So let's look at GBP odd. What's going on with GBP odd, right? The GBP odd's looking like it's coming down. Pretty much what we were anticipating here, right? Now we wanted to see a strong momentum. We kind of got a strong momentum. We got a little bit of a pullback, but now I want to see it create some sort of a retest, right? We need price to come back and retest. So we're not getting that retest just yet. We could see price, kind of stall out at this level, which it already kind of did. We could see it come down a little bit lower, and then we'll finally see a retest. But just keep that in mind. That's so far what we have going on, right? So, yeah, so that's kind of what we're looking at overall. Yes, guys. So you know what? If you guys were looking at this opportunity here on GU, I would stay out just because of the news. Okay, so just stay out. I'm gonna manage my risk right now, so I would stay out. Okay. No impulsive trades here. Obviously, we gotta always kind of look at all the scenarios here. Okay. Don't want to be getting, especially with all this news going on right now. So okay, I'm just gonna read through the comments here. Let's go. Okay, awesome. Pedro, estoy de vacaciones por el mes de diciembre disfrutando de la familia. That's how you do it, my man. That's how we do it. Let's go. That's awesome, bro. That's awesome. Yeah, enero back at it. Let's go. Yeah. Okay. Awesome, guys. Kunis, let's go. We got my sister-in-law here as well. Let's get it. Awesome, guys. Okay, so that's kind of what I'm really. So I'm to be honest with you, it may come back down here with the news, right? And then we may see it come back up, right, into this range. Overall, not really looking pretty bullish or anything like that just yet, guys. Okay, give me 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back. Thank you so much, guys. I've got my ginger tea here. Yeah, so anything British pound pairs, and as you guys know, right, for those that are just joining in, obviously we're not, the markets are cooling off right now. Obviously it's that time of the year, right? Typically I wouldn't even be trading right now, but the only reason why I'm here is because I want to be able to support you guys any way possible. You know what I mean? So awesome, guys. We got more people joining in, guys. All of the new members that are tuning in, welcome to La Familia. Let's go. We got Lauren. Welcome, Lauren. Lauren's actually one of my VIP inner circle students, so super excited to have you here, Lauren, this morning. And yeah, like I said, guys, I'm here to support you guys every step of the way. And so yeah, that's kind of what we're looking at overall, because if we look at the higher time frames, we're looking at this kind of upwards channel, right? That's what we're seeing, right? But keep in mind that, like I said before, and I drew this out nicely because I cleared the charts, but before I had two scenarios for GU, right? I said it might come back down, create another leg lower, probably retest these lows before it actually comes to the upside, right? So keep that in mind, right? Okay, let's move on. Let's look at GJ. What's going on with GJ? Same thing, GJ. Look, lots of indecision right now. Look at this kind of ascending wedge pattern formation. Broke below. It broke below. So now what I'm seeing, or I want to see, is some sort of a retest of this high, right? Now I want to see a retest, but the problem is like sometimes price will come back up and create a huge wick and then come back down. Problem is people see this and then they go down to the lower time frames and they're like, oh yeah, you know, it just rejected. So this is our retest here, so we're gonna look for sells. Yes, but don't. You have to understand that price may come back up and create this wick, right? You know, take out all the sellers, right, and get in all these potential buyers or whatever the case is, and kind of just liquidate a bunch of people before price actually goes in the direction that it's supposed to go, right? It'll always wick people out, so just keep that in mind, right? Like right now, I wouldn't sell this. I personally wouldn't sell this, right? Even though we have this wick rejection here, but look at how price rejected here too, right? A lot of indecision here going on right now. For a 30-minute, this is really, really choppy. So I'd kind of stay out, guys, to be honest. Yeah, let's stay out. Not really looking for sells until we get below or break below this level structure here. So anything below here, we're looking for sells, right, for GJ, right? Now, if we come back up to these highs and we start seeing rejection around this area high over here, right, then we can start looking for selling opportunities, right? Look at this. Look at the next candle. This is the 1 hour time frame. Look, 1 hour time frame. Look at the bullish candle. Look at the GJ bullish candle. What I told you, right? I'm saying a lot of indecision, which kind of goes in confluence even with my GBP US trade. Look at that, right? It's going up like I anticipated, but staying out because of the news. You have to be disciplined, guys. That's what I'm telling you guys. Discipline is key. This is what's going to help you level up on your trading, right? So look at GJ, man. It's probably going to go in my direction. But again, with all this news stuff, I'd rather just manage my risk, do things the way that they should be, right? Stick to my plan. Awesome, guys. Welcome. Got a couple new members, new family members tuning in, subscribing to the family. Welcome to La Familia, guys. Welcome. Everyone's quiet this morning. Got my tea here. So, Lauren, we've got, and for those of you that are new, maybe, right? So we've got some news coming out right now. I think it's the unemployment, something like that. Yeah. December 8th already? Yeah. December 8th. So we've got some news coming out. It's the unemployment claims for US. So some US news coming at 8:30. And then we also have some tomorrow we have some crazy news here. We got core PPI at 8:30 as well, and this is for tomorrow. Okay. All right, guys. And for those that are new or wondering, this is Forex Factory, right? There's different websites that you can use, but this is the one I personally use, okay? For all my news there. Okay, so beautiful. So let's move on, guys. So Euro USD, we got that strong momentum, right? We pulled back though. We had that pullback, and now again, a lot of consolidation right now. I really don't see, we're in a range, but I don't really see any trades yet. This is not the condition I want to be trading in. Okay, this is how we're able to spot this out. Okay, just right off the bat, you saw how I was able to spot this out. This is consolidation, right? We want to stay out of this. Okay. Odd USD, nice. Odd USD going in our favor here. Oh shoot, going in our favor here to the upside. Again, I see it pushing up to these highs, but again, it's like a quick in and out. Yeah, quick in and out here. You know, pips, a stop loss just below entry here. Just remember, price will also pull back, right? So we may get an impulsive move. Once we start seeing some sort of a rejection, we take our profits and then we wait for the pullback. Okay, guys? Price right now, let's see. This is a nice quick in and out. 6 pips right now. Let's go. You guys got in. Let's go. Odd USD. All right, so let's move on, guys. Let's move on. What are we looking at for NASDAQ? What's going on with NASDAQ here, guys? What is going on? So NASDAQ, same thing, guys. We had two beautiful trade setups here. We were looking at sells below this level structure. Look, we had that strong momentum. Look, strong momentum, pullback, strong momentum, pullback. Price went exactly as expected. Same thing here. We were in a range. We had strong momentum, range. Then we saw a sell opportunity. Right now, we're consolidating, guys. I really don't see anything happening at this given time. So similar area here. We could see that this is kind of the highs of this range area here. And this would be kind of the lows of this range, right? So, you know, I kind of would want to just stay out, wait for some sort of a potential breakout or anything like that. But really don't see anything happening with NASDAQ at this given time, guys. I'll probably see it just kind of range and consolidate for a really long time. Okay, guys, let's go. S&P 5, very similar too, guys. Again, it's kind of stuck in this ranging area. However, I want to see some sort of a breakout. So this is the highs of that range, and this is the lows of this range area here. So we can anticipate some sort of a potential breakout. We just got to wait and see what ends up happening with price, right? If we get a breakout to the upside, maybe come back up and retest these highs. We just see something like this, like a nice strong momentum, wait for the retest, look for buys. Okay. Awesome, guys. Awesome. Guys, let me know in the chat box below. What other pairs are you guys looking at? Let me know in the chat box below. Guys, we're at 14 likes. Can we get it to 20 likes? Let's go. 16 likes, actually. Guys, we're at 16 likes. Can we get it to 20 likes? Let's go. All right. Awesome, guys. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Beautiful. GU buys look too pretty, had to take it. Yeah, I mean, that's what I'm saying. Like, it looks good. But I personally, just because of the news, that's why I'm like, I'm probably gonna stay out, right? But just so you guys can see my analysis, right? See, it's literally going in my direction here. So look at that, right? We got in here, but I got out just because of the news. And again, technically, if we look at, let's see the moving averages. Yeah, see the 30. I think, yeah. There you go, guys. All right, we got a couple new members subscribing, guys. I see a couple new members subscribing, guys. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell and click all notifications so you don't miss a single live stream, guys. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on our live streams, guys, that we have. What's gonna tell you guys? Okay, GU, yeah. So GU is going in our favor. Awesome, beautiful trade setup there. And then let's see here. What do we got? What? Okay. Osterib 6:30 news. No, it's 8:30 Eastern Standard Time, so 8:30 New York time. That's like our golden zone right there, man. Yeah, this trade is juicy. Let's see, yeah, it's probably gonna go down further, and then that means that GU is gonna go up. See that entry though? Like, we were down here, guys, right? We were literally down here. Okay, we've got a couple. Well, bag secured. On to the next. Awesome. Okay, let's go, guys. So we've got Lauren here. Lauren, Euro USD. Yes, we'll take a look at USD right now though. Euro USD is very, very choppy. A lot of consolidation right now, especially right now. We have some news coming up in like 20 minutes. We have to be very, very careful, guys. Okay. So it seems like we are breaking out to the upside. We're getting a little bit more volume to the upside. So we'll see what ends up happening though, because we had a little bit of indecision there, right? Do you see that doji right there? So I would kind of wait and see what ends up happening. If we get a strong move to the upside, we wait for the retest. But right now we're stuck in this range. So price, for all we know, right? For all we know, price could come up like this, right? We could see price come up like this, literally, you know, 7-10 pips, whatever. And then you're like, oh yeah, it's going to go up, you know, whatever. And then boom, comes back down into the range, right? 28 pips, stops you out. So that's why I don't want to take a trade right now on Euro USD. I don't really see anything happening other than it's being stuck in a range. Okay, guys, that's what I see right there, guys. Awesome, guys, let's go. If you enjoyed this live stream, guys, smash that like button for me. I really do appreciate it. Also, guys, let me know what other pairs you guys are looking at, right? So we may see that strong momentum, but we have to realize that this is also a resistance area. So just keep this in mind, guys. This is a resistance area because it's in a range right now, right? Price is ranging. Okay. Now, the two scenarios I said here was if we were looking for sell setups, right? If we were breaking below this level structure, right? So that's why I had this line here, and that's why I had this analysis like this, right? So sell setups, but overall direction, look at my overall direction, is still back to the upside, right? Because we are in this upwards channel. One sec here, guys. Yeah, so Lauren, what would happen is basically yes, if the news is negative, then yeah. So basically, if it's negative, then we'll see the dollar kind of go in the direction that I'm anticipating it, which is to the downside, right? This is why, for example, even my GU trade, like, my entry was literally down over here. I told you guys at the beginning of the live stream. So right now you would be up anyways. You would have got like, you know, quick, you know, 10 pips, whatever, 12 pips. In fact, no, my entry was a little bit lower. But the thing is, I'm personally not, I got out earlier because I don't like what I'm seeing overall. Like, it's just not following with my trading plan as much as it's going in the direction I anticipated it. Like, it's not really going with my trading plan at this given time, right? So we are at a level of support. However, we were kind of trending to the downside, which is kind of this pullback, right? But we are also at our golden zone. So if I pull my fib, I'm at my 0.50, 0.618 level, right? So you know what I mean? It's pretty much falling through everything, but the news could wake me out at any moment, right? So that's why I was kind of a little bit wary and I got out. But overall, I still think it could go to the upside. So yes, any of these pairs, so GBP, Euro USD, AUD USD, right? If the dollar weakens, then yes, all these pairs are going to go to the upside, right? If the dollar for some reason just gains strength and or pulls back from the support level, which is kind of like this kind of double top here on the right shoulder, then we could see the complete opposite happen, right? So you know what I mean, these pairs could tank, right? So just keep that in mind. Yeah, that's why I personally would rather stay out. Okay, are you guys understanding that? Yes, good. Awesome, guys. Awesome. All of our new members that are tuning in, guys, make sure you guys join in our free Telegram group, guys. Click the link. The link is in the chat box. I'm pretty sure I tagged it. So just make sure you guys click the link there to join in our free Telegram group. And also, if you can't find it on there, it'll be in the video description, the link to join in on the free Telegram. So yeah, guys, that's kind of what we're looking at overall. Awesome. Okay, so you can see it's already kind of pulling back anyway. So again, we got some news in like 12 minutes, 12, 13 minutes. We'll reference back. Let's see what's going on with Bitcoin. A lot of consolidation here, eh? A lot of consolidation. So again, it could hold this level support potentially. But I told you guys we were looking at kind of this, we were anticipating a breakout because we were seeing this kind of like a descending wedge pattern formation, right? And we were anticipating a breakout. We got the breakout. We're getting this retest right now, and it seems like it is holding this level support. However, to be honest, in the bigger picture, we're just still stuck in a range, right? So I still think Bitcoin's going to the downside here, probably around like 12, 13,000 is kind of my target area. Similar move that we saw here, right? So look at this strong momentum here, right? If we move that same exact strong momentum move and we move it to the downside here, you can see that it's going to like pull us back down to 12 range. Okay. Okay, guys. So anyways, that's kind of what we're looking at there overall, and that is for Bitcoin. Okay, so let's move on. Let me just read through the comments here before we move on. Got Isaac, welcome, my man. Let's go. Missed entry on GU. What level is good for next entry? So I would wait for after the news, and I'll keep you guys up to date either way. So again, for those that haven't joined our Telegram group, guys, make sure you guys join our free Telegram. Okay, it's free to join, Blessed Traders Academy. But yeah, this would have been a nice quick in and out. But I would say don't worry, because even if price goes up, right? Let's say you missed the entry right now. What I would say, Isaac, is wait for a retest, right? Because price is going to retest, right? So why do you think I knew that, you know, this was a quick in and out trade opportunity, but why do you think I even have this like this, right? Because you never know that even after the news, price could could come back up, melt, right? So GU, so let's say the dollar gains strength for whatever reason, and British pound pulls back, we got a double top down. That's an extra confirmation that, you know what, price is respecting this level support, right? Even more. So then that would be a better entry to get back in, right? But keep in mind, the way it's looking, the dollar is really, really weak, and I think that it will follow through all the way down here, probably break the neckline, and we wait for the retest, right? But guys, remember, there's always opportunities. We catch live trades all the time in our live streams, guys. We're here every single day. Look at your USD just consolidating, right? You know, when it was going up here, right, you would think, oh, it's looking for buys, right? It already retested this, right? But remember what I told you guys, better entry would have been down here for buys, and better sell entry on this pullback would have been up here, right? So right now, lots of indecision. I'm not trading any of these pairs right now. Lots of indecision. Okay, the only one here that I would say that's good is the odd USD, but even then there's not enough pips, guys. So if you got in this trade, guys, congratulations, you got yourself 9 pips. But again, right, I called this out at the beginning of the live stream. It was a breakout. I had my alert set, inverted head and shoulders pattern formation. We're getting a break and closure, which is nice. So now what I want to see is it price to come back up depending on the news that we get. If it's bearish for the US dollar, then yes, we'll see a nice clean continuation for odd USD, our British pound, all that type of stuff. Kel, we got a couple people commenting here, guys. Welcome. Couple new members also subscribing, guys. Welcome to the family. Let's go. Cal, so not necessarily. So you have to just be very, very careful. So it's not just because it has like a bearish wick here and it's at a level of support, that doesn't necessarily mean that it's gonna go for sell, right? You have to kind of look at the bigger picture and understand, okay, you know, where are we in the markets, right? So if for example I have a wick, look, there's lots of examples where price, you know what I mean, had a certain wick at a support level. Like for example, let's say here, this was a support level here. Look, had that wick there, looks like it's bearish. Anyone that would really see this here, even on the 4-hour time frame, let me be honest with you, would look for sells, right? And it did sell for a little bit, but look at this example here on odd USD. Let's clear this off here. If you saw this, okay, hold on. We'll clear this off here. If you saw this, what would you think is going to happen next on a 4-hour resistance area, right? What do you guys think would happen next? I'd be probably, if this closes bearish, I'd be probably looking for sell opportunities, right? But remember what I always tell you, especially price will always come back and retest, most likely more often than not, come back. So it'll close bearish. More often than not, we'll see price retest these highs before it melts. Right? And so yes, if you look at this and you look at this, for example, this is a resistance area, look at this huge wick, look at this wick below, you could be like, well, you know, this is sells. Yes, but you always have to look at the bigger picture. That's why candle wicks are really, really important, but don't just take it just based off of the candle wick, right? Look, price came back up and actually broke these highs, and we were looking for potential continuation to the upside, right? And then it finally came back down, right? So, I mean, it really just depends what you're looking at, and how you look at the markets and where we are in the market, right? So just be mindful. Bone 8, 25 pips on GU. Awesome, my man. Awesome. It's amazing. Our odd USD trade, if you took this trade that I told you guys at the beginning of the last stream, you'd be in profits right now, guys. So take your partials or take your profits, if you will. Take your 10, 15 pips and run, guys. Let's go. We got 13 pips on the clock right now for odd USD. Nice. And same with GU, guys. Congratulations on those that took our GU trade. You would be in profits right now. We took our entry over here. You'd be in profits about 30 pips. So congrats. We've broken above here now, so we're pretty much coming at this area here. So depending on the news that we get, we may see some sort of a pullback. Depends on where it stops out. So if it stops around at these highs up here, we could see price pull back. If we get a nice pullback, that would be a nice entry for continuation of buys. Okay, just wait for a pullback. Anyways, guys, congrats on those that actually got in on both the trades I called out in this live stream. Also, welcome to all of our new members. For those of you that are new, yes, we do live streams every single day. Yes, we take trades live in the live streams, and I'm here every single day, guys, in the mornings. $7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for those that are new. See a couple new people joining in, so guys, we're at 22 likes. Can we get it to 25 likes? Let's go. Let's go. Can we get it to 25 likes? That is the question of the day, guys. Beautiful trade setup on GU. Awesome, man. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And here's the thing. I knew it was going to go up, right? And my stop loss was just done over here. But again, just the fact that I had the news coming up, right? You would have been up 33 pips. Who took that GU trade other than we got Nate took it as well. Who else took that GU trade I called out? Awesome, guys. Same with Odd USD. Beautiful, beautiful trade setup, guys. And look at this. Look at Dixie. And again, melting. So it's breaking below this neckline essentially right now. If this closes below this neckline of this double top, then we can anticipate a nice clean move all the way down to this lower level for Dixie. And pretty much that's it. Awesome. Awesome, guys. Best of all time. That's awesome, Nate. That's awesome, man. Lauren, me, awesome. Lauren, did you make some profits as well? Lauren is also one of my students in my VIP inner circle. So welcome, 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 guys. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay. So yeah, so beautiful trade that we had here on GU. And price went exactly as expected. 36 pips right now. Let's get it. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. Most likely I see, guys, if you're wondering, I'll see GU come up to these highs. And to be frank, depending on the news and knowing right now with the dollar could be it could be bad news. It could just make the dollar melt. And if that happens, GU is going to be disgusting. It's gonna go way high. Could be a possibility. So just keep that in mind. Yeah, keep that in mind. Right, guys, I would take profits right now for GU, but I would take partial profits and let the rest run because we have news coming out in like 2 minutes. So that way we manage our risk, okay, guys? As always, please manage your risk, okay? See, with GJ, same thing, guys. Do you see what I'm saying? It's going to retest, but it's a more complex pullback. You see that? 30 minutes, right? It's coming back up, right? Yeah. So, you know, if we come up to like this higher level here, let's say we got a little bit of support here, a little bit of resistance support. This could be a level where price could reject. Then we look for sells up here, okay? Either way, you guys know I'll keep you guys in the loop. Lauren, I'm a bad American. Melt the dollar. That's hilarious. Awesome, guys. Awesome. So by now you would have taken partial profits, okay? This is kind of our management plan, guys. Take partial profits, move your stop loss to entry so it's officially risk-free. So if news knocks you out, you're not losing anything. You already took your profits, okay? And if news goes in our favor, then guess what? You got yourself a beauty trade, right? So just right. So let's take a look. Let's refresh the page. It's 8:30, guys. Let's see what ends up happening. But again, right? Sometimes price is affected. Let's see unemployment claims. What's going on? What's going on? Yeah. Let's see what's going on with the dollar here. Same with AUD/USD, guys. Take your partials on this. Move your stop loss to entry. Seems like it's a little bit indecisive right now. So far, not bad or good. Let's see the final result. Take profit probably going to be smashed here at 43 pips. Right now we're currently up 38 pips. So it seems like news didn't really affect it that much. We don't know the results just yet. Should be coming out any second. 2:30. So exactly the same. So it's not even negative or positive. It's just neutral. In fact, technically, if you think about it, it's actually positive because previous was 225K. Actually, never mind. It's negative for the dollar. It's negative. Guys, it's negative. It's melting exactly as expected, guys. Let's go. Jeez. Look at that, guys. Wow. All right. All of you guys owe me Starbucks. You guys know how much I like my Starbucks. My black tea, Trenta iced black tea with no liquid cane, no water, and no lemonade. So I just like to keep it nice and clean. Let's go, guys. Take profit smashed. Look at that beautiful trade setup right there, guys, from this morning. You guys saw. We had this little pullback there. I had the news. Personally, I missed out on it. Again, it is what it is. But as long as the team eats, that's all that matters. Look at that. 43 pips, take profit smashed, guys. Woo! Who got into that trade, guys? Who got in? Let's go. I know we have a couple members that already got into that trade. Fits. Enjoy your profits, guys. Let's go. Let's get it, guys. I love choco chip cream. Nice. Yeah, you can't go wrong. There's like this dragon fruit drink too as well. There's the iced black tea lemonade, that's pretty good too. There's a lot of like lattes and stuff that are good too. Just really depends what you like. All right, guys, that's a beautiful turnout there on the live stream. 2 trades that went exactly as expected. Beautiful turnout. Welcome to all of our new members. I see a couple new members subscribing and joining in, guys. Don't forget to turn on your notifications bell. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on any of these live streams, guys. So make sure your notifications is turned on. And yeah, guys, we're at 20. What are we at right now? 22 likes. Can we get it to 25 likes, guys? Let's go. Let's get it to 25 likes. Got pops there. Let's go, dad. Yes, we did it, guys. We did it. Also, guys, for those wondering, this is the link to my broker. even if you sign with my link or not, or my broker or not, guys, make sure you guys sign up with a regulated broker, guys. It's really, really important that you guys trade with a regulated broker, okay? I personally recommend Blueberry Markets. They're amazing. Like, even if you do your research beforehand, do your research first. But if you want to join in, click my link, go in any of my videos, you'll see the link if you want to reference back. If you sign up with my link, there's a sign up bonus for you. They give me something, I don't know exactly what it is, but anyways, there's a sign up bonus on that if you sign up with my link. They are regulated, they're Australian, they have amazing customer service. Like, my account manager is amazing. Like, he, you know, any withdrawals, anything like that, no issues, quick. So yeah, go check them out. The link is there. We got Nate. Do you trade trend lines? Yes and no. I trade channels, but yes, I do use trend lines. So take a look at this. For example, GBP US, right? If we go back up to my overall analysis that I had here, right, I was anticipating a rejection of this level structure. We knew that this was a level support, but we could see that we were kind of in this upwards. You can consider it a trend line, right? It is a trend line, right? So we're in an upwards momentum. Okay. Bonate, are they available in USA? I believe so. If they're not, just let me know. But I think they are. I'm pretty sure they are. Yeah. Anyways, guys, this beautiful trade setup that we took, we're already going to our TP2. This was TP1. We have 52 pips. I see it probably coming up to these highs. But right now, what I would see at any given time, what I would wait for GBP US is a pullback, right? So just wait for a pullback. I don't know where this pullback could be. It could probably be around this level. So yeah, so anytime soon we'll see a pullback, and then we can look for a retracement, probably back down to this lower level here, and then we could see a continuation back to these highs. Okay, let me just clear the charts here. Yeah. And then let's see, for example, some people, I really don't, I focus on price action, guys. You'll probably notice that's how I trade. But you know, I am a strong believer of the RSI. I really like the RSI. Not saying that that's what's going to determine, but as long as you understand price action, you learn how price action works and stuff like that, how the market moves and stuff, then you use these indicators, like for example the RSI or the stochastic or the 20 and 50 moving averages. So the only three indicators I really use, right? The 20, the 50, and the RSI. Really, you could use this as an added confluence, right? So I always teach this in my live streams. You guys see how we catch these trades, but I use these different indicators, you know, in confluence with my analysis, right? So right now, what I'd be looking at my 20, right? My 20 is just under below here. So what I want to see is price come back down and retest the 20 moving average, right? On the 30 minute or the 15 minute, right? You see the 15 minutes here. Look at this. On the 15 minute, we're super overbought. Even if we look at the 30 minute, we're 100% pretty much almost overbought. So we can start looking for potential sell setups. The next candle, I want this candle to close with a wick. And then I want to see the next candle close with or not close, sorry, but start looking bearish. Then we could probably get in, right? We'll be a little bit more aggressive, but as long as you manage your risk, right, you should be good on this pullback. But remember, it's a counter trend trade, so you have to really, really get in and get out, manage your risk, right? So do like a 15 pip stop, nice and tight, okay? And then we would target like the 20 moving average here on the 30 minute, probably down here, but TP1 would be here. So grab your 25 pips and run. And then I would target back down to this lower area, but I don't think it's going to go all the way back down there. But you never know, because if you realize we were kind of doing this downwards trend line here. And so we got a breakout to the upside, right? But now we should wait for a retest, and that retest could be back down to these lows, right? So just keep that in mind, right? Hey guys. Beautiful turnout there, guys. Beautiful, 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 guys. Awesome. Did any of you guys check out my live that I had yesterday? Where it wasn't the live like in person, but the live where I left like my channel with the charts. So my gold live, right? Where I left it like this. And it had like my gold analysis. Did you guys check that out? Look at gold, guys. Oh my God. Literally, look at this, guys. Exactly as expected. 71 pips. Guys, this is straight gold. Literally, look at my trade setup, guys. What I'm talking about, man. Beautiful, beautiful turnout there. Exactly as expected. 61 pips. Barely any drawdown here. And we had a 35 pip stop loss. I told you guys from last night. And look, price went exactly as expected. Beautiful, beautiful turnout on gold here, guys. So now pretty much we're retesting these highs here on gold. Guys, let me know, did you guys enjoy me leaving my gold charts? Because I did leave my gold charts live like this and I updated it. If you guys want me to do that and you found it helpful, then let me know in the chat box below. Comment below if you guys enjoyed it and you found it helpful, me leaving my gold chart here. And then I could do it with other pairs, but mainly I just did it for gold. So let me know in the chat box below if you guys did appreciate it or enjoy it, me having my charts here live. So what I did is I just left it yesterday. I did an experiment. I tried it for the first time and I just left my charts live. And yeah, pretty much I just I updated the analysis as we went. I was looking at buying zones below this level and we took a sell sell trade back down. So yeah, we got Ali gold. Yes, but yes. Okay. Awesome. Awesome, guys. Okay. So I will probably leave this on. I won't say I'll leave it on right now. But yeah, I'll probably come back live around like, I'd say like around 11 or whatever, and then we'll leave it on. Or maybe I could leave it on now and just leave it. Yeah. Yes, do it. Okay. We got Pro Trader here as well. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, so we did that yesterday, guys. And like I said, look, I literally went to the dentist and I had price gold come back up here and I said, guys, we're looking at gold sells and we profited, right? And then I said, I'm looking for it to come back down to this lower level. The buying zone, okay, yeah, I even left my notes there. Volume, however, looking for price to pull back to our buying zone area and reject the 20 moving area. Literally, those are my notes. Apparently the background music I had was like copyright or something. It wasn't, so that's why it paused out. It wasn't copyright, but it was a website that I was using to download the music. So it wasn't copyright, but don't worry, now it should be good because I actually downloaded it from a special website that YouTubers use. So that's pretty cool. I created an account and everything. So now in my video descriptions, I call out all the music that's used in the background. So it should be good. So that way there's no interruptions in the live streams. I looked into it, but I'm going to leave my charts, guys. So I'm looking right now, to be honest, with gold. After a move like this, we may see a retracement. Now, mind you, we are getting a nice pullback already. So just be careful. Pretty much what I'm seeing here. So I'm going to do my analysis on the other chart because this one's just mainly to leave it on here. But we're looking for gold to sell back down. But I want to see that candle close, and then we could see it come back down and range. So right now we're just seeing it range. So let's go to our other chart just so we have clarity. So nice. We had a nice buy setup. Beautiful, guys. Congratulations for those that profited. Price went exactly as I expected it to do, which is nice, and it came and rejected our resistance area. So this high area exactly as expected. Look at this, looking pretty darn bearish. So now what I would be looking as potential sell. So I would kind of sell the lows here, but just be very, very careful, guys. You want to probably put like a 30 pip stop, target the lows over here. But as of right now, we're really looking at gold kind of just range, right? It's just going to be stuck in this range, right? This is the highs of the range here, okay? And that's the lows of the range down here, okay? So gold is just stuck ranging right now. We're literally in a range, even on the higher time frames, you can see it, okay? But keep in mind, we are still kind of in an upwards momentum and an upwards kind of trend. So keep in mind that we may see it. We're going kind of against the trend, so we just have to realize that at any time gold could push to the upside, okay? Just be mindful of that. I want you to understand that, okay? So if you notice that gold starts kind of pushing to the upside for whatever reason, just keep in mind that yes, it's exhausting right now, but we could get a push all of a sudden, right? So this pullback setup that we're seeing would be a quick in and out as long as we manage our risk, right? Look at that, it's already in profits, guys. Beautiful. And again, I would probably take profits once you're like, I don't know, 30 pips in profits. Right now, we're currently, if you go to got in, when I told you right now, you should be up 17 pips. Just put your stop loss to entry. take your profits. If you got into this trade, guys, this gold trade, take your profits now, guys. Yeah, look, it's gonna melt, touch the 20 moving average. If it breaks below 20 moving average, I really see it maybe touching down below here, but it might create a double top or something. But looking pretty bearish, so I would say I could see gold coming down, probably touch the 20 moving average on the 15, but just be mindful that it may react here and might create a double top. So I would take partial profits right now. Okay, guys. Yeah, we got that huge wick too, which is crazy. Look at that, guys. Gold. Jeez, hold on. 30 pips, guys. Take your profits and run. Take your profits and run. Okay. I hope you guys took your profits there on gold. That was a quick in and out. Okay. And like I said, overall, we have to look at the bigger picture. So this trade is done. I would stay out because we are coming pretty much at this level here. So this neckline here, right? We could see gold do something like this where it's pulled back and come back up and retest and continue to go higher. Okay. Okay, guys, beautiful, awesome. We got a couple members here that have been joining the family. Awesome. Welcome to all the new members that are tuning in. If it's your first time here, guys, welcome to the family. But also, I do notice that there are a couple of people that haven't joined in our free Telegram group, guys. So go check it out, guys. Click the link. The video, the link is in the, it's pinned at the top of the chat group. So make sure you guys click the link in the chat group. It says join our free Telegram, guys. Go check that out. Trust me, guys, lots of value in there as well. So make sure you guys click that link and join in our free Telegram. Guys, we're at 23 likes. Can we get it to 25 likes? Let's go, guys. Beautiful turnout on our GBPUS trade. Price went exactly as expected, guys. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful turnout, guys. Look at this. Even on this pullback now, you'd be in profit now, even on a GU pullback. Look at that, you'd be 9 pips profit. But we took this buy setup on GU and price went exactly as expected. Excuse me. Yeah, so anyways, anticipating a short-term pullback could be a possibility for GU. And that's kind of what we're looking at now. Could be a good time to probably sell this pullback, but we already kind of got price come back down. So keep in mind, sometimes price does that. But price went exactly as expected, which is really, really nice. I kind of stay out because the wicks don't really, I'm not too confident about it, right? So I'd kind of stay out from there. Same with our odd trade. Odd trade went pretty well as well, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed your profits on odd USD as well trade. 26 pips profit. Price went exactly as expected. So now we're anticipating odd USD to come back down to this level support. And if we're able to hold this level support, we can see and anticipate odd USD to continue to go higher. So beautiful trade setup, turned out really, really well here on our odd USD as well, guys. Euro USD, let's see if we got a breakout to the upside or downside. So no, so we're stuck in this range, lots of consolidation, indecision. So we just stay out, right? But overall kind of direction, we can see that we're kind of in this downwards channel within this upwards channel on the higher time frame. So we could see maybe or anticipate another leg down before we go to the upside, but we just have to wait and see what ends up happening, guys. Maybe we're not, maybe we're just going to consolidate and range for a bit before we go to the upside, right? So we'll see what ends up happening. Beautiful, guys. Awesome. I see a couple new members subscribing. Awesome, guys. Don't forget, turn on notification bell. I don't want you guys missing out on the live stream, guys. Trust me. Awesome, guys. Awesome. Okay. So welcome to all the new members that are tuning in, guys. If it's your first time here, guys, consider subscribing below. And also, guys, don't be shy to comment and let me know where you're tuning in from, guys. Let me know what country. Put your flag, guys. Put your flag in the chat box below, guys. Let me know what country you guys are tuning in from. Let's go. Guys, we're at 23 likes. Can we get it to 25? Let's get it to 25 likes. Let's go. Yeah, so that's kind of what we're looking at here. Gold's probably get, like I said, it's going to probably hold this level of support, come back up to these highs, and then maybe we may see a break to the upside. But we had this beautiful trade setup go in our favor. Let's look at some other pairs that we usually don't really trade, but let's take a look. Let's see, USD/JPY. What are we looking at? USD/JPY. Okay, USD/JPY. Look at this, guys. We were anticipating it to come back up, came back up, strong momentum. Now it's pulling back up though. So this is kind of looking like a head and shoulder span formation. It's pretty clear. However, I think it may not go through. It may actually not break below. The way it's looking, it's kind of like tilted like this. So it's already kind of rejecting it to the neckline. So I want to see a break below and closure below the neckline and wait for the retest. This is what we want to see price potentially do, right? So if we see a strong momentum, we wait for the retest and then we look for sell opportunity. Okay, we target these lows down over here. This is the level of support that we could target as well. But this is kind of overall what I'm looking at. If you will, we could see that this is also a level structure. If I kind of narrow this down like this, you're going to be able to see why we would want to see price break below. So I'm looking for sell opportunities for USD/JPY below this level structure. Okay, this is what we're looking at. Sell opportunities below this level structure with a strong momentum push. So I'm going to delete this now. That's my old analysis. Now, do you guys see this? Is this nice and clear? You guys able to understand that? Yes. Perfect, guys. Awesome. Right? So this is how we look at the markets. By the way, this is the 1 hour time frame, right? So we look and see what's going on. Yeah, so we'll see what ends up happening. So we could actually see probably USD/JPY range. Okay. I'm seeing it range, to be honest. I'm seeing it range for a bit, right? Could come back up, retest these highs, range, and then maybe break below. All right, let's move on. USD/CHF. What's going on with USD/CHF, guys? So USD/CHF, we are anticipating some sort of a potential range, forming some sort of a descending wedge. We didn't really see a break below yet, so it's been, price has just been consolidating within this area here. Let me clear the charts though. I'm anticipating some sort of a potential breakout still, so we still haven't gotten a breakout or anything like that. But you guys could see my analysis. I don't typically trade this pair, but you can see that even still, price is kind of doing its own little thing. It's still following through this kind of descending wedge pattern formation. We're at a major level of support, so we could anticipate a breakout to the upside or look for sell opportunities if we break below this lower level here that I've drawn out. So just keep that in mind, right? We want to focus on major key levels, guys. Guys, you know what? Let me ask you a question now that I have you guys here. What, comment below, what are your biggest challenges as a trader? Comment below what your biggest challenges are or what you'd like me to see. So if you would want to see like, let's say a video that I pull out, right? What's a video that you would like me to do on? Like, what's a video that you would find that would be helpful? Let me know in the chat box below. I'm actually genuinely want to know if there's anything I could do to help you guys and create a video on it. You know, because I also do want to create long form content that you guys could reference back, right? Because I know that you guys could come back and watch the live streams. All the live streams, I post them on my channel automatically. And you can always go back and reference, right? But some of our live streams go up to like 2-3 hours. Some of them go for like an hour, right? So not everyone has the time to go back and watch exactly when we took a trade, right? So I want to be able to create at least 2 videos a week, but I want to know what type of content you guys want to see, right? Do you guys want to learn, you know, how to set up, you know, MT4, or how to, you know what I mean? Or how to look at the markets, or how to find out your key levels, or, you know what I mean? How do you use the indicator as an extra added confluence, right? Whatever. What type of stuff do you guys want to see? Let me know in the chat box below, because I want to support you guys. I want to help you guys as much as possible. And so yeah, that also helps me figure out what you guys want me to see, want to see, sorry. Okay guys, let me know in the chat box. Let me know. So while I wait for a couple of you guys to let me know in the chat box what you guys think, what kind of videos or struggles you guys go through that you'd hope for me to create, like a video idea or something like that, let me know. I'm going to continue on here with USD CHF. So USD CHF really depends on what the dollar is doing, right? So if the dollar is coming back up for whatever reason, let's say it's coming back up, right? In this case, we could see USD CHF continue to go higher, right? Let's see here. If we don't break the neckline, we're not looking for sells, right? But we've broken below a major level structure. And we can see that we're definitely in this downwards channel here for the Dixie, okay? So we could anticipate a lower leg here, right? So that could mean that USD CHF could actually go to the downside, and this descending wedge pattern formation could actually get a strong momentum push to the downside, right? So I'd look for sell opportunities. I'd want to see something like this happen, okay? Strong momentum, wait for the retest, and look for sell opportunities, okay? That's kind of what we're looking at there for USD CHF, okay? You guys get that? Yes, beautiful. And then obviously we go to the smaller time frames, we look for better entries and all that type of stuff, right? Okay. Let's look at Euro JPY, guys. What are we looking at Euro JPY? We're looking for sell setups below this level structure. So we haven't broken below this level structure, so we're not looking for sell setups just yet. Look at the 4-hour time frame though. We want to look at the 4-hour time frames to understand the overall direction, okay? Make sure you guys always look at the bigger picture. I always teach this in all of my live streams, guys. As always, look at this nice downwards channel. We were trending to the upside for the longest time, and then price started to shift. The sentiment in the market started to shift. We could see it very, very clear, okay? So now, pretty much we're at this resistance area, but we need to see price break below here. Otherwise, it's just going to be consolidating. That's all I really see. A lot of consolidation here within this area for Euro JPY. So until we don't see a breakout to the upside or a breakout to the downside, I'm not looking for any trade opportunities for Euro JPY. Okay, guys? So that is that. That is that analysis there. Let's look at odd JPY. What are we looking at odd JPY? Similar to odd JPY to our odd USD trade, right? Look at this, guys. Price went exactly as expected for our odd USD trade. Beautiful, quick in and out at the beginning of the live stream. And price went exactly as expected. So odd NZD, sorry, no, we were looking at odd JPY first. There we go. Odd JPY. So what are we looking at odd JPY? Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Let's look at the overall direction, guys. Look at this, guys. This was a level of support. We were still kind of respecting this downwards channel, guys. Look at this. Major level of structure, support area. We broke out of this kind of symmetrical triangle that I could see it right off the bat. Okay. And then what did price do? Price broke above. So wait for the retest. Okay. Look, this is like a symmetrical triangle. Look at this, right? Creating higher highs, higher lows. Right. And what did we see here? Okay. What did we see? We saw that strong momentum push. Okay. Look at this. Strong momentum push. And then look at this. We wait for the pullback. Okay. Wait for the pullback, guys. Wait for the pullback. Straight to the upside. Okay. Beautiful opportunity, which would be in confluence with our downwards channel. Okay. Which would kind of give us that new lower or higher low. No, lower high. Sorry. New lower high here in the downward channel. Coming back up to the highs of this resistance area. Okay, guys, let me just read through the comments here. Let's go. Okay. Also, welcome to all of our new members. Welcome to La Familia, guys. I'm super excited to have each and every one of you guys. As you guys know, we're live every single day, guys. I've been here even sick. I've been here for you guys. You know what I mean? My whole objective is I want you guys to be successful. I want to support you guys as much as possible. And the fact that, guys, I get messages every day, you know, people, Pedro, man, your live streams have helped me out so much. Pedro, man, like, you know, the way you explain it is just, you've helped me so much with my trading, guys. It's such a blessing to be able to do something with purpose and realize that I'm on a mission to be able to help people level up on their trading and bless them in any way possible, guys. Like, you know what I mean? If any way that I could help them out with their trading, it's just, you know, it's much better to give than to receive. When you give something, it's just such a good feeling. I don't know about you guys, when you give presents in Christmas, or if you give presents in a birthday or something like that, and you feel like, wow, man, like that's just, you see their faces, you're sitting there in the back, you're just like smiling, you're just like, yeah, you know what I mean? Like, you're like, you know, like it's just such a nice feeling seeing your loved ones or people you care about, you know, open those gifts, right, on their birthday or whatever, and realize, wow, like, you know, and that feeling of giving is such a blessing. But like I said, and getting those messages that I get every day is such a blessing as well too, and knowing that I planted a little seed and helped you out in any way. Okay, guys, so yes, I wanna create some videos for you guys, right? So that way you guys can reference back. And those that are new, yes, you can always watch my other live streams. All of my live streams go live, so you can always reference back, guys. You can skip the first 5-10 minutes and then focus on the main content. And like I said, guys, if you do rewatch any of my live streams, guys, comment below, leave a comment for me, guys. I always read every single comment and I respond back as well too. So comment below, let me know that you rewatch the live stream, whatever the case is. And so yeah, so we've got logo. Let's go on. We got Ekel about using indicators, like you said, while using their RSI and moving average. Okay, yeah, no problem. I could do something like that. Okay, please, money management and opening multiple trade positions, sniper entry. Okay, I'll do that. That's good. I'm taking notes, guys, here. I want to create content that you guys could see and enjoy and find helpful. We got Curtis here. How is the S&P 5 doing? Yeah, we'll take a look at S&P 5, my man. So S&P 5, check this out. So we were stuck in this range for quite some time, and I said we would look a push to the upside. And look, we're already we got that push, but we rejected this next candle. However, if it closes bullish, then we can see it probably come back up high with a stronger momentum. We could see it kind of stall out here because we got a little bit of resistance at these highs here. Could be a possibility, or even a tad bit lower. Maybe not go all that way to the upside. Wait for the retest, and then we look for buy opportunities for S&P 5. That's kind of what I'm looking at right now. And then USD CAD. Yeah, Curtis, we'll take a look at that, my man. USD CAD. Oh, that's USD Mexican. Anyways, we had a Moni here from yesterday. USD Mexican. Look at this, guys. Melted exactly as expected. Yeah, beautiful trade setup. 74 pips. Quick in and out. No drawdown. This was from yesterday's analysis live stream. Okay, check that out. Beautiful. Look at that, guys. Okay, let's take a look at USD CAD. USD CAD, look at this. So USD CAD, I was anticipating it to come back down. Okay, so you can see a lot of my arrows there. We're anticipating a push to the downside, and overall was anticipating a push down, but also for price to come back up, right, and reject this level potentially, right? So you guys could see it very, very clear here on the 30-minute time frame. We were looking at sells. You can see my line here, right? Selling opportunities for USD CAD, and we got price melted. Now we're pretty much oversold at this point. So what I would be looking is to see where can we hold this level as a level of support, or is price going to melt all the way back down in this channel? So pretty much the reason why I would be looking for buy setups at least would be you know, this range being respected. But to be honest, just from looking at it now, what I could see happen is one of two things. We could see price, and I'm going to clear the charts because this is a little bit messy now. So let's look at the daily. I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm thinking here. So I could see USD CAD coming back down right now, even currently, because this is looking pretty bearish on the daily. I could see it coming down to this lower level here. Okay. It could go down lower, could be a possibility, but I could see it holding this level of support down here. Okay. Now, if we narrow this down to the 4-hour time frame, okay, I want to see USD CAD hold this level of support here. Okay. If it breaks below it, then that's super, super bearish, but we need to understand that there needs to be an exhaustion, right? We know that basically even, let's see here, what were we on the 30-minute time frame? 30-minute time frame, the 1-hour time frame, we're pretty much oversold, right? So what happens usually when price does something like this? We can anticipate a retest of this level structure, right? So I could see probably price come back up to these highs here, create some sort of a retest, and then we may see it continue to go down further, right? We may see that strong momentum push and then another retest and continue to go down further. Okay, this is kind of what I'm anticipating for USD CAD. We may see a short-term push back up, maybe hold this level support, right? We got a lot of support, a lot of resistance. Look at on the left-hand side, we got resistance, support, 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 resistance, resistance, right? A little bit of an overlap here, right? And then price coming back down to this lower level, right? If we see it hold this level support, then we know that this is kind of the support level where price is reacting. But overall, I'm anticipating it to come back down all the way down here. Let's see our 20 moving average. Let's see how we can see price here. Yeah, so I may see it broke below the 20 on the 4-hour. So we may see price come back to, we may see it price come back down to the 50 moving average and retest the 50. Now, if we go down to the 1-hour time frame, we're seeing that price is coiling up and potentially creating a cross. It's going to cross. The moving averages will most likely cross. So now what I want to see is price kind of retest. Pretty much, look, it's the same thing on the 4-hour, right? We're oversold. So what I want to see is price retest these highs. So I want to see something like this. So you could pull your fibs if you will, right? So let's say if it's here or here, it doesn't really matter, right? If it comes all the way down here, let's say the lows is down here, then we anticipate price to come back up to this level of structure here, which is our 15.618 level. Okay, and then if price comes back down here, then we start looking for selling opportunities here. We set our stops just below. Let's say we do a 25 pip stop. Okay, and then we set our targets just below. Let's say so 50 in, we get in here, set our targets below here. That's 72 pips. If it goes all the way to our 0.618 level, that's 149 pips. But I think it'll probably just come back down to this lower end, which is still 74 pips. Okay, guys. Awesome. Are you guys understanding that? Yes, 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 guys. If you are, smash that like button for me, guys. And also, if you really enjoy these live streams, if you appreciate the work that I put in, it takes a lot of guys. If you really do enjoy it, guys, please do me a huge solid and share this video in your socials. So if you have Instagram or you have Facebook, guys, do your boy a huge solid and share this video. Literally, it costs you nothing. All you have to do is just click share, put it on Facebook, put it on Instagram or TikTok, doesn't matter, and just literally put hashtag Forex, hashtag PedroFX. I really do appreciate it, guys. It does support the channel and it helps me to continue to create content like this, guys. And trust me, it means a lot. And in turn, I want you guys to know that you can count on me here. You can count on this community. And I appreciate all the love and support I've received, guys. So thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Guys, we had a amazing turnout in terms of like the trades that we took in our live stream today. Beautiful, beautiful setups line up. Even in this slow holiday season, we are still, able to catch perfect trade setups and perfect opportunities, guys. So just goes to show, right? As long as you understand basic price action, understanding market structure, you could still make money in the markets even when the season is slow, guys. So also, guys, if you're looking to level up on your trading, maybe you're tired of losing trades, maybe you're tired of just not having that extra support. If you're looking to have that extra step-by-step mentorship and you want to join in on my private mentorship Zoom calls, guys, I have my VIP inner circle, guys. Go check that out. Click the link there and check it out. I got different price plans available too, guys. And also, if maybe you've been wanting to join, but you're just hoping to do maybe, let's say, a 3-month plan or whatever, and you want to stay in longer so that you can learn more, message me. I want to help you out. I don't want to, it's not about, you know what I mean, just having this program and all my prices. Send me a message. I want to help you out and see if I can give you some sort of a discount on there so that you can join in, and I want you to be able to learn, right? So we do live Zoom calls with all of my students in my VIP inner circle, guys. So any trades that I take, I send it through the alerts, and also I do full breakdown. So I tell you when to get in, when to get out. And we also have a private group chat where you can ask me personal questions even when we're off the chart. So if you have a question or you need some help, I'm there to help, guys. So that's really, really valuable. Trust me, guys, when I first started trading, and to really help me get to where I am today, it took a lot of time studying, but also a lot of money that I invested to get to where I am today. And so paying this small little price to join in this inner circle, and I want to keep it nice and intimate because that's how it is right now. Currently, I've got about 10 students in my VIP inner circle. It requires a lot of my personal time, and I want to be able to help them be successful as well. And I want you to be successful too, guys. So make sure you guys go check that out. And like I said, if you are really interested in joining, but maybe you're just struggling right now or whatever the case is, send me a message. I might be able to help you out a little bit and give you some sort of a discount on there. Okay. but send me a message through Telegram. Okay, guys, my website is on there as well. Go check out my website, guys, if you want to get to know me a little bit more, read my bio, whatever the case is, guys. Also, my broker, as you guys know, guys, I always recommend regulated brokers. Even if you go with my broker or not, just make sure it's regulated. Please, guys, do not go with the unregulated broker, guys. There's a lot of shady stories, a lot of shady stuff that I see happen, right? Where you can't withdraw your money. Trust me, I've been there. Where you can't, they're manipulating the markets a lot, right? It hits your stop losses more often than not. The spreads are higher, all that type of stuff, guys. Trust me, you want to avoid that. And trust me, I did my research. So Blueberry Markets, really solid. If you join with my link, there's a sign up bonus. So make sure you guys click the link and sign up there. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Also, the link for my free Telegram group, guys, is in the group chat as well. So I'm going to put it on there for those that maybe can't see it. They're on their phone or whatever. And guys, please do your boy a huge solid. If you enjoyed this live stream today, or you enjoyed these live streams overall, please share this video, guys. Please share this video. It might help someone else that is actually looking to learn how to trade. So if you do share this on social media, guys, share it on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, doesn't matter. And tag me. So if you do share it on Facebook, try and tag me, or put at least hashtag PedroFX. And same thing with Instagram, guys. If you put it on your story, tag me on and follow me on all my socials at official PedroFX. Okay, guys, official PedroFX. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I appreciate you all, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye for now.